A map appears for all to hear, though silence sings it not a word. The broken grids begin to stir. No panic, no fear, no need to run. Just knowing now the work is done. Not future act, but present fact, restored by inner architect. Arcturus like the thread, I hold the vision in my head. Not imagine, not desire, but remember, long inspired. Arcturus, sing the line, turn this chaos into design. No more loops, no false decree. I am the code, and I'm free. The breath of I am, pure and white. I was seated, I was sent to mend the grid and close the rent. Beneath the soil, beneath the sea, the ancient notes begin to be ones buried deep by time and war. Now pulsing soft just as before, with every breath, with every tone. Like send the signal back, come home. Not loud, not proud, just clear and true. The resonance that renews, no tools required, no chant to grant. My presence is the healing hand. My prowess pierce the night, restore the flow of living light. Not with battle, not with flame, but with truth, without a name. Arcturus, rise and bone, make the trap frequencies known. No more chains, no borrowed frame. I am the fire, and I reclaim the first sound, strong and still. I do not serve, I do not kneel. My path is real, my will is sealed. I walk in grace, my truth revealed. I stand not here, but there ahead, on earth reborn, where love is spread like rivers through a golden land, held by a healed and open hand. That world is real, it always was. Not hope, not dream, not distant cause. And from that truth already whole, I shift the now, align the soul. No struggle, no delay, no cost. The future's won, and I am lost in timeless peace and silent grace. I am the field and hold this space. Arcturus burns so bright, turn confusion into light. I was seated, I was set to wake the world and rise and bend. Arcturus never gone. The wisdom of I am ever strong. From star to soul, from pain to grace, I return. trapped. I am the pool, I don't create. I am the full, no separate self, no borrowed frame. I am the tone and I am the flame. If this song stirs your spirit deep, no, you're not walking paths that sleep. You carry codes from stars unknown and seeds of light once sown, now grown. So breathe it in, let truth remain. Not as effort, not as strain, but as your